So neutral buoyancy, basically you're putting yourself in microgravity, like the ISS's, because you have to remember that the ISS still has a tiny bit of gravity because it's in low Earth orbit. Now, not enough that you'd be stuck to the floor, but you can push yourself away from stuff and things like that.
It was a bit scary going in that deep, and you could feel the tension in your head and your nose just push shut.
I knew the first thing that I wanted to do when I reached the bottom, play underwater basketball with the bowling ball. I discovered pretty quickly that even though the bowling ball is much easier to throw, the density of water can really slow it down. Slam dunks were definitely the best option. Everyone got into some pretty cool slam dunking.
I love sport and I'm big into training. If only I could do the chin-ups as easy on land as I could do them underwater, that'd be great.
We were all just messing around at the basketball, and then Jack started the construction task and we all joined in.
The instructors have left a load of pipes and connectors on the bottom of the pool, and the cadets have to try and put them back together correctly while floating. Exactly the sort of work that astronauts do in space. Look at them move. They're flying around like real astronauts. Real astronauts have lightsaber fights, don't they?
We knew we only had 20 minutes of air in our tank, so even though we got up to a load of fun, by the end we realised that we'd have to get these tasks done, so there was some serious underwater teamwork going on.
And how will they know if they've completed the underwater construction correctly? They'll be able to launch the torpedoes, of course. Success!